I walked to the washroom and I cried in silence. Day 15 and I still had zero income. Not low income, zero. Yesterday, I woke up in bed and ang bigat ng dibdib ko. My mind was racing. I walked to the washroom and I cried in silence. The doubt got louder and louder. And while I was in the washroom, I prayed to God, Lord, I did this. I choose this direction. Lord, I am doing my best. I did every effort. Pero ang lakas ng doubt. Please guide me. Lead me. I believe this is what I really want. Bigyan mo ako ng lakas, lalo na kapag walang nakikitang progress. That's what I prayed. Kasi pakiramdam ko, mag-isa ako. Let me tell you who I was before this. I work in hospitality. 12-hour shift, no weekends, always smiling. I did more than my job. Ako yung sumasalo ng operation, everything. But inside me, I felt invisible. Like no matter how hard I work, hindi ako nakikita, hindi ako pinipili, hindi ako nare-recognize. If you are in the hospitality, alam mo yung sakit na to. When I finally choose a new chapter, entrepreneurship, they'll say, I'm proud of you. They said, wala pa rin? You're useless? Where's the money? There is no money generation. You're wasting your time. Just found a job. That's all the voices. Very noisy. And that really hurts. Because I'm doing my best. Hindi ako tamad. Hindi ako natutulog. I was building every single day. And I realized something. The hardest part of entrepreneurship is not money. It's the voice in your head saying, what if I made the wrong decision? Kasi walang applause, walang salary, no one clapping for your progress, just silence and pressure. So, I decided, if nobody believes in me, I will build proof. Hindi para magyabang, but to remind myself, I'm not crazy. I'm building something real. Zero knowledge. And imagine this. I started with zero knowledge. I did not even know funnels. I didn't know landing pages. I didn't know lead magnets. I didn't know how website works. I didn't know words like DNS, domain propagation, automation, payment integration. Those are not in my experience. Like, ano ba to? But I started it anyway. Kasi minsan, hindi mo kailangan ng confidence. You need a commitment. And I will say it proudly. I built everything from scratch. No coach, no team, no one holding my hands. Only me. And of course, the AI. Every time I hit a wall, I ask. I learned, I failed, I fixed, and I tried again. Unti-unti, I learned the workflow, And here's what they don't see. In just 15 days, I built proof. I launched my first workshop from staff to leader. I built my funnels and other pages. I created a business emails and fixed my domain setup. I built a lead magnet and a free clarity call system. I built my content engine, a script, caption, live plans. And I opened my noon store, listed my product, and I got an order notification. So, when people say you're wasting your time, I look at my progress and I say, no, hindi. I'm building a foundation. And yes, people doubted me, even my closest person to me. Pero my belief became bigger than the noise. Because distractions are loud, but purpose is louder. And if you're building something right now, tapos feeling mo walang nakakakita sa'yo, just remember this. You won't need their approval. You need consistency. If you feel stuck, invisible, overlooked, comment the word clarity. I will message you the free clarity call and comment clarity.